Redmi Note 15, a powerful mid-range smartphone arriving in 2026. The Redmi Note 15 is gearing up to make a strong impact in the mid-range smartphone market, with its official launch scheduled for January 6, 2026. Based on its China launch specifications, now confirmed for India, the device promises a balanced mix of performance, display quality, battery life, and modern connectivity. Redmi continues its tradition of delivering premium features at competitive pricing with the Note 15. Sleek design with water and dust resistance. The Redmi Note 15 features a bezel-less punch-hole display that gives it a modern and immersive look. Designed for everyday durability, the phone comes with dust-resistant and water-resistant protection, making it more reliable for daily usage. The hybrid dual SIM slot adds flexibility while maintaining a slim and clean design. Immersive AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. One of the strongest highlights of the Redmi Note 15 is its 6.77-inch AMOLED display. With a full HD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2392 pixels, and a 120Hz refresh rate, users can enjoy ultra-smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and excellent viewing angles. Whether streaming videos, gaming, or browsing social media, the display delivers an outstanding visual experience in its segment. Smooth performance with Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. Powering the Redmi Note 15 is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, paired with an octa-core CPU configuration, 2.4 GHz plus 1.8 GHz. Combined with 6 GB RAM, the phone delivers smooth multitasking and reliable performance for daily apps, casual gaming, and media consumption. Running on Android 15, the device offers a clean, modern, and optimized user experience. Front camera for clear selfies and video calls. On the front, the device houses an 8MP wide-angle selfie camera with screen flash support. It is capable of recording full HD videos at 30 frames per second, ensuring clear selfies, smooth video calls, and reliable performance for everyday content needs. Long-lasting battery with fast charging. Battery life is another major advantage of the Redmi Note 15. The smartphone packs a large 5,800 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day or more on a single charge. With 45W fast charging support via USB Type-C, users can quickly power up the device and get back to their routine without long waiting times. Storage, connectivity, and 5G support. The Redmi Note 15 offers 128 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1 TB via microSD card, providing ample space for apps, photos, and videos. It supports 5G connectivity, ensuring faster internet speeds and future-ready performance. Dual nano SIM support makes it ideal for users managing work and personal numbers. Conclusion: a strong contender in the mid-range segment. With its AMOLED 120Hz display, Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 performance, 50MP camera, 5,800 mAh battery, and 5G support, the Redmi Note 15 is shaping up to be a well-rounded smartphone for 2026. It is an excellent choice for users looking for a reliable, stylish, and feature-packed device in the mid-range category.